its fury. But right now, it is smacking Kansas, more specifically Wichita. When all is said and done, we could be talking about a foot of snow.
All right, we're going to go to the latest here. We're going to bring in meteorologist Geraldine Billings right from the National Weather Service in Wichita. Geraldine, good morning to you. Snow no doubt falling right now. How would you compare this? How impressive is this to what you've seen already this year?
Well, this is probably one of the bigger storms we've had so far this year. We had one earlier in December, but this is probably one of our more intense storms, and what's falling already has some pretty intense rates with it. 2 to 3 inches have already fallen since around midnight.
What are you hearing about the roads right now, Geraldine? What's the situation there?
Well, we've got a lot of reports from the roads, but just looking on some cameras and stuff, roads are covered, and I expect them to be snow-packed. That's what we've looked at the moment.
You mentioned the snowfall rates. Do you expect that kind of rate to continue? Because that's when it gets tough for crews to keep up, when you get snowfall rates of more than an inch or two an hour.
Exactly, and we do expect that to keep up and continue and transition southward. Right now, the metro of Wichita is not currently being impacted by those heavier rates, but that will be the case as we move towards the morning hours. It'll continue to impact the Wichita area and further south-central Kansas.
Yeah, as we look at the radar, Geraldine, we can see those darker blues starting to creep in toward your area. So we're going to be watching that. Thanks so much for the update. Good luck on getting through this thing. We really appreciate it.
And the cold is going to be a big factor too, of course, here coming after that. So we're going to look specifically